Hi all, in this video I am going to explain how you can dynamically generate PPT slide with Python, and you can use any of open AI tools such that ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and you can get the content dynamically from APIs and write the code, and you can generate beautiful PPTs. Even you can put your thought, but it will take long time. Put a thought lot, and you can build a product and you can sell in the market. There are a lot of already AI tools which dynamically generate the PPT just in 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You just give it contents such that significance of Taj Mahal, and it will generate the PPT in 5 minutes, which if you want to do manually, it will take huge time. With help of this, you can do that. Let's jump to the code and see how you can write the code to generate the PPT with Python. So the very first thing is you need to install pptx. You can install with this command, and you can import this one. The next line is you can import the inches, which is just for the formatting purpose. The very first thing is you need to create the object of presentation. And basically, with this line of code, how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can add a slide. So you can see the slide layout. This is the variable presentation slide layout, and this is 0. This is the first slide. Okay, and this is for title. The next line is again a variable, and what you have to do, presentation slide, add slide, and the variable which you have created. And the next is you need to set the content. Okay, so title shape, title, okay, and subtitle. This both are variable. Okay, slide placeholder. Okay, and the next is you are setting up the text for the title, and the next is you are setting up the text for subtitle. That's all. With this, the slide one is created, but it's all up to you. What is your requirement? Suppose you are integrating any AI tool API, and once you get the content, then you need to do a lot of coding by dynamically having this all slide, and you need to do a fancy stuff, images and all those things. I'm going to show you just a sample, but it's all your thought how you are going to write the code. Okay, I'm going to explain another slide. Okay, so this is another slide, slide layout presentation. This will be the next slide, and again you need to add this and set the content, and this is what is Python pptx, and this is the detail context, and that's all. Now I'll show you how you can add bullet point to the slide. Okay, so this is the line of code for the bullet point. Okay, from here to here. Okay, slide layout, which I have explained you earlier also. Slide you can add. This is title and the content, and this we are setting up benefit of using Python PPT, and this is just a variable, points, easy to use, automate presentation, generate report dynamically, and the content or text. This will split and add the point. Okay, So with this, you can add a bullet point. Let me explain you how you can add an image. So this line of code is for adding an image. It's the same way. Slide layout, slide presentation, you can add this, okay, and this is the path of image, and this is, we are just doing a formatting, and with this we are adding the image. Okay, this is the image path, left, top, width. That's all. You see, you have seen from the beginning. I'll just recap. This is title slide. One slide we have added detail, one slide having the bullet point, and one slide having the image. You get all the flavors, and now it's all up to you how you are going to write the code to generate the slide. Let's run this. Okay. Looks like I have opened the file. That's the reason this error is coming. Okay. And earlier the file is generated. Let me delete. Nope, file is generated, and let's go here, the same location, and see. This is the first slide, this is the second slide, this is the third slide of with the bullet point, the fourth slide with image. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for upcoming lot of AI and data engineering videos. Happy coding!